today, Miss Sheila Aureliano. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, good day. I'm Sheila Aureliano. I'm single. I'm 41 years old. I'm college graduate with a degree of business management.
Alright, do you have any kids?
No,
Alright, how many siblings do you have?
we are only two in the family.
And what is your order in the family?
I'm the eldest one and I have one brother.
Alright, thank you. Tell me about your educational background.
I am finished a 4 years course, a college graduate with a degree of business management.
Alright, thank you. Do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I have.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes.
How many years and what country?
I finished contract for 9 years in Taiwan.
What is your employer name at your previous work?
The first one is Stanley, and the second one is Ayugani.
Okay, thank you. What is your duties and responsibilities as helper?
The first patient that I have in Taiwan is bedridden, so I always do feeding every after 4 hours and changing diapers. And the second one, the first one died for 95 years old. She passed away for 95 years old. And the second patient that I have is 88 years old, disabled patient, and she can walk. So what I do to her is cooking, cleaning, and accompany with her and marketing.
Okay, thank you. And then, how would you describe yourself?
I describe myself as patient, calm, persistent, and courageous.
Right, thank you. Do you have any tattoo?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad. I'm an ex-Taiwan, but I want to work in another country, another experience, and another learnings.
Alright, thank you. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
I am single with no child, but I have nephews and nieces. So when my nephews and nieces are very naughty, I stay calm, analyze what is the problem of chaotic situation, and ask them if they can calm and they can be quiet and controlled.
Alright, thank you. Can you sing any kind of nursery song?
Yeah, I have one simple nursery song, and this is the wheel in the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel in the bus go round and round all day long.
Thank you so much. What is your message to your future employer?
My message for my future employer: hello, ma'am, sir. I can guarantee that I can be more patient and more reliable, more courageous, and more persistent.
Alright, thank you so much.